Namaste students, welcome to environmental science class. This PPT is prepared by myself Monica and presented by Miss Indumati, Miss Jyoti Lakshmi and Miss Sangeeta. In today's video, we are going to see about class 2 subject environmental studies, lesson number 5 shelter, September month, 3rd week video, PPT number 3. Shelter. Expected learning outcomes. Students will be able to identify ways in which a house could be kept clean. Then explain the importance of cleanliness, lighting and ventilation in our homes. And plan for own dream home keeping in mind cleanliness, lighting and ventilation. Which is the clean house? Option A or option B? Great, very good. Option B. In option A, the house looks very unclean. The things are kept on the floor. It is not arranged properly. But in house B, it is very cleaned and the things are arranged properly. Need for cleanliness in our houses. A clean house. We should keep our house very clean and tidy. We always keep our house very clean. A dirty house may have flies, rats, which can make us sick. So if the house is not cleaned properly, we may get flies, rats, which can make us sick. A clean house is a healthy house. How can you keep your house clean? Very good. Everyday habits to keep your house clean. Make your bed. Organize your room. Organize your cupboard. Mop the floor. Organize your dining table. Clean the utensils. Dust the ceiling or cupboard with duster. Keep your toilet clean and keep your bathroom clean. These are the habits you need to follow to keep your house clean. Cleaning tools. A house can get dusty easily, so it is important to keep the house as clean as you can. We may use different tools to clean a room or a house. Different tools to clean a house. Broomstick. It helps to sweep the floors. Dustpan help to collect the dust available on the floor. Toilet cleaner help to clean your toilet. Duster help to clean the dust available on the places like cupboard, table and ceiling. Mop help to clean the floor. Duster remove the dust. Floor wiper, microfiber cloths and scrubber. These are the tools help you to clean a house. Look at the picture on the left and draw lines to match them with correct tool. Very good. Mop helps to clean the water poured on the floor. Next. Good. Broomstick help to sweep the dust available on the floor. Good. Duster help to dust your cupboard or shelf. Then, good. Toilet brush used to clean your toilet. Plan of a house. A house needs many things like walls, electricity, water pipes, and so on. Different people work on each of these needs. The number of rooms, doors, and windows built into a house have to be planned before we start building a house. This plan is done by architect. An architect is the one who makes the drawing or the plan of the house. This is what a plan of a house looks like. A house have at least one bedroom, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a living room. How to draw a plan of a house? First, we need to draw an outline of the house and then draw walls. Locate the doors on the walls. After that, add windows on the walls. Finally, label the room as bedroom, kitchen, living room, bath, etc. It is very important to have doors and windows in your house. This helps in the movement of air around the house and keep us breathe well. Windows are for letting light into the house. Activity. Will you be able to live in a house without windows and doors? Why? Good. No, we cannot able to live in a house without windows and doors because it allow air and sunlight inside the house. In today's video, we learnt about needs of cleanliness in our houses, cleaning tools used to clean a house, and steps to make a house plan. Then importance of windows and doors in a house. In next class, we are going to see about clothes we wear. Thank you all. See you in the next video.